Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and today I have made a bubble up chicken pot pie. Oh, this is so good, guys, and it's super easy. It makes the perfect weeknight meal. When you're in a hurry, you don't know what to do, you can whip this up quick. All right, guys, so let me show you just how to make it. So you will need about 2 cups of shredded chicken, and what I did is I had some frozen chicken tenderloins. I cooked them until they were tender. I let them cool and then I shredded it with my hands. Then you'll need 1 cup of sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and dried thyme, 1 can of Jumbo biscuits, 1 can of mixed vegetables, and some salt and pepper. All right, then just combine all these ingredients with the chicken. And I'm starting with my cream of chicken soup, then the sour cream, then the cheddar cheese. I drain the liquid off of the canned vegetables. You can also use frozen. Then the seasoning. And I'm giving a couple pinches of salt and black pepper. Then I'm just going to stir everything together. Next, open up your biscuits. All right, I'm going to cut these into 6 pieces. All right, and then I'm going to add my biscuit pieces, and I'm just kind of making sure they're not sticking together, separating them. And I'm only adding in a few at a time because I want to stir them in with the chicken mixture. All right, then I'm going to spray a 9x13 baking dish with some nonstick spray, and then just add the chicken and biscuit mixture to my baking dish. Then bake in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown and the biscuits are done. Ho, ho, ho. This bubble up chicken pot pie looks fantastic. Oh guys, this is so good. It's one of those comforting dishes and it's hearty. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.